Today, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of clinical trials, data security. Protecting participant data isn't just a regulatory obligation under GDPR, it's a commitment to trust and ethical research. Data security starts with teamwork. Sponsors must ensure that everyone involved in the trial, from vendors to researchers, upholds the highest standards of security. This means verifying that stakeholders have the right measures in place to protect data, a process that begins with thorough due diligence. Without this step, the entire trial's integrity could be at risk. But setting up safeguards isn't enough. Regular audits help uncover vulnerabilities and improve systems over time. At least one audit a year is recommended, but for organizations with higher risks or complex trials, more frequent checks can make a big difference. Training is equally critical. Conducting sessions every 6 months, or more often if needed, keeps teams alert and reduces the likelihood of errors caused by humans, which remain the most frequent incidents in data security breaches. On the technical side, data security relies on strong defenses. Limiting access to those who truly need it, encrypting sensitive information both in transit and at rest, and creating reliable backups are all essential practices. These measures aren't just about compliance, they're about building a solid foundation for participant trust. Under the GDPR, any personal data breach must be reported to the relevant supervisory authority within 72 hours of discovery, unless the breach is unlikely to pose a risk to participants' rights and freedoms. If the breach is considered high risk, sponsors are also required to inform the affected participants promptly, providing clear information on what happened and steps being taken to mitigate harm. Having a well-documented incident response plan ensures that sponsors can act swiftly and transparently, preserving trust and minimizing potential damage. In conclusion, ensuring data security in clinical trials is more than meeting legal obligations. It's about fostering trust, enhancing ethical research, and safeguarding the integrity of the trial process. By implementing these measures, sponsors set the foundation for success in both compliance and participant confidence. Thanks for joining me today. Stay tuned for more insights into GDPR and clinical trials. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're here to help.